Hilton International and Hilton US were two separate companies. About 3 years ago, they merged to create Hilton Worldwide in an effort to create a more global identity and a more global company. About a year and 3 months ago, we made the move from Los Angeles to McLean.
Hospitality is an aspirational experience.
You just can dream a lot more, and there's just a lot more possibilities of things to do depending on where your project is and the feeling that you want to create for your guests.
You're trying to create a story and a journey and an aspirational experience when people go to the hotel, whether it be on business or on vacation. They're always imagining in their mind's eye a wonderful experience. And life will be better there than it is in the real world.
A day in the life of a director of design varies. It's not a design firm here. We don't work on CAD. We don't put together material boards. One side, you're actually getting the project from the start to conceptualize and think and work through the design challenges. And on the other side, you're more overseeing what the other side is doing.
There's projects here where I will one day be talking about master planning and where they'll position building additions on different lots in a city context, and another meeting will be talking about what's the right fabric for the back of a chair and the tassels. So it's from one extreme to the other.
We usually get looped in at the beginning for a design kickoff. After that kickoff, we can then go through the whole design phases of solidifying a good concept, going through schematic, design development, and sometimes construction docs.
We're involved with also selecting the design firms, both interior designers and architects on a project. Lion's share of the work is renovation. So you have existing bones and you're determining from the scope what can stay and what can go. That is driven by a business plan by the owner, financial constraints on the design process. And then you're trying to create magic of the experience for the guests.
I graduated in 2009 from the George Washington University with a degree in interior design, and I pretty much work alongside Stephanie in supporting our 5 design directors, which oversee different brands, and also our luxury and lifestyle component.
I graduated in 2010 from Virginia Tech with a degree in interior design, and I'm the design coordinator for the Global Design Services team.
Our schedule is pretty much based around what the design directors have going on, and that varies from day to day, week to week, depending on what their project load is. For Stephanie and I, we're both pretty recent graduates, and it's been such an eye-opening experience to be at Hilton. We do not do in-house design, but the flip side of that is that we get to see so many more designs than we would if we were working on our own little set of projects. So we really get to see the breadth of what's out there and what's possible.
I began as a design services intern, which turned into a full-time position, and through my time here so far, I've been able to learn quite a bit about the industry. We didn't get to do many hospitality projects in school. We did a lot of corporate and healthcare and that type of thing, so I think that it's been eye-opening.
Everything is posted on our website. Hilton is also on Twitter and Facebook. We were the first, major hotel brand to have over 50,000 fans.
Advice to the students: even though your passion is for design, it tends to be very one-dimensional, and to succeed in the market as a designer, you need to have a much broader understanding of the marketplace. You need to find a way to broaden your understanding of the business of design. Mm-hmm. If you're focused on hospitality, you can start reading some of the trade magazines on the subject. Once you're able to incorporate that vocabulary into your vocabulary naturally and speak with the clients that you have, or your future potential clients, they'll know that you get it, you have credibility, and then they'll listen to you.